Alright. Where did it go? Where's my RAD? Where's my RAD? Alright. Shit. Sorry. Okay. No, not friend request, motherfucker. Alright, Tim Good O'Connor on my post. Here we go. Okay. The video for my horror books RAD. Get started. We got a time of 3:23 p.m. Let's see, world clock. Yeah, we'll go with Cleveland time. 3:24. Alright, I'm going to type live. Alright, live. Once again, 3:24 p.m. 3:24 p.m. Alright, let me go get these names. Alright, I got 34 of you. Alright, Michael Fazzini, just paid. Sorry about the mispronunciation. Copy, go over here to multi-round giveaway. We're going to do new giveaway. Alright, we're going to type in horror books RAD. We're going to roll the dice 3 times. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Paste the names in. Alright. Make sure I got all 34 of you. 34. Alright. And let's get started. Okay. Begin the giveaway. Yes. Take my $1. Alright. 1. Scroll down. I don't know if we do this anymore, so I'm just going to scroll down the list. There's a timestamp. Alright, 2025. Right here you see 3:25. Alright, next round. 2, 3, 4. This one's going to be for the winner. Once again, we get a timestamp of 3:25. Final round. Your winner is spot number 3, Tom McMahon. Awesome. Congrats, Tom. Good job. Once again, we had 5 rounds. Tom is the winner. I'm going to go down and get a timestamp here. Alright. 2025 still. We still got... Oh, now we're up 3:26 over here. Time of 3:26. And once again, your winner is Mr. Tom McMahon, spot number 3. Congrats, Tom. Shoot me a PM once you have seen this video. And we're going to go over here to the bottom. And we will get to the bottom any day now. Okay, and one more timestamp just to make sure. 3:26. Comics are red. 3:26, and I'm going to type in done. Thank you again. Congrats, Tom, and thanks everybody for participating. I paused the video before I did the code. I don't know if you guys do that in your videos, so I'm going to put that in there now just to ensure that there are no errors. So here's the verification. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste that in here while it's still recording, just so you guys know that there's no errors. Alright, there's that. Okay, now I'm done. Thank you.